Hello guys, welcome back. So now in this video we are going to learn how we can add animation text in our Flutter application. As you can see mobile screen right now, only this is our text. Subscribe. So let's run again this and you will see. And as you can see, this is liquidity animation. So how we can make all these things in this Flutter application. So let's create it. So minimize this, close this. Now close this project. Now click on this new Flutter project, next, and give the name here learning or learn animation. You can give your own name, whatever you want. Click on finish. So click on finish, and now it's creating the project for us. We have to wait a while, and as you can see it has been created. So let's close this readme, open this folder learn animation, and you will see here this lib file. Open it, double click on main.dart, and you will see this example code here. We don't want this, so let's remove this comment, and you will see the stateful visit class. Minimize it, second one minimize, and then select both, press delete button, and delete this comment also. Now here as you can see in the home, by default it's my home page. We don't want, remove this, and let's say here animation text and put comma, and it's showing error because we don't have this file. So let's create this file. Right click on this lib, new dart file, and let's give name animation screen. Now here import material.dart, and then stateless visit, and give the name same which you are passing here, or you can copy this name, come back to the animation screen, and here paste it. As you can see here, class name, this one, the same name which you are passing here, and it's showing error. So click on it and import this. Now error has gone, as you can see, and we have imported this file here. So now we need to add one dependency in this project for text animation. So come to the Google, and here write pubdev, and you will see this pubdev. Click on it, and here animation kit, write this animated text kit, this one, press enter, and you will see the first link. Click on it. Now here you will see many of example. If you come below or in the bottom, you will see many of design like this. You can use this, you can use this, you can use this, you can typewriter or scale or colorize or text liquid field. We will use this one in this project, this one, or else you can use this, you can use this. So to use this animation we need to add dependency. Come above, and you will see this animated text kit dependency. Right click, copy, come back to the Android Studio, open PubSpecs.yml. Now here you will see this Cupertino icons dependency here. So after this, paste it here and click on PubGet. Click again PubGet. Sometimes it's not that good. Now okay, minimize this, close this file. Now we need to design this, our screen. So here return material app, and here in the home container, and child, let's give colors dot white, and child will be center widget, and center widget will have a child. Now we will copy paste some code from Google here, I mean PubDev site. So here we have added this already. Now we want to use this one, liquidity. So let's copy this. Don't copy this return word, just copy from here size box and this. Copy, come back to Android Studio, and here in the child paste it here. Now click on this text style and add a const modifier. Now you will see here we have this error, so click on it and import this package, and error has gone, and here we have put this as you can see. Now let's change this text. Subscribe. Yes, sure sir, sure. Subscribe our channel please. Okay guys, subscribe our channel. Now here the size is 80, let's give 60, and after this let's say decoration, text decoration, dot none, and now it's showing red accent, let's say white, and now everything okay. We have given material app, and let's add a debug show banner, check this false, so it will not display in the corner of here on mobile screen. So everything is okay, and remove this semicolon from here. Now error has gone and it's green tick here. So yeah, let's run our application and see it's working or not. Click on this run button, and we have to wait little because it's first time running, so in the first it takes little time to make APKs for our phone, so we have to wait. And you will see this, install it here, and you will see animation. As you can see, the text is a little bit big, so we have to decrease text. Come here, let's make it 50 and rerun, or let's make a 40, or let's change this width from here 290, let's say 290, and here let's say 70. This is 70, this is 290. Let's rerun again. Oh, let's 60. Still guys, let's say 50. And now you guys, you can see it's working fine in one line. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you learned this, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.